How to change password in Idle Heroes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you want to change your password in Idle Heroes, then it's actually pretty simple once you know where to tap and look. First things first, launch open the Idle Heroes game on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see Change Password option at the bottom. Click on it, enter your old password in the first field, and head over to the next field and enter the new password you want to change to. Now confirm the password by retyping it again in the last field. Finally, click on Confirm. Right after you tap Confirm, you'll be able to change your password. So that is how you change your password in Idle Heroes game quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.